Hi, my name is Bob Ferguson. Thanks for watching this issue of my e-news. And this issue focuses a bit on environmental issues, which the King County government, as a regional government, can play a really critical role. And I care about these issues from a personal standpoint because I'm born and raised here in King County in Washington State and have a great love for the outdoors. I'm big into mountain climbing and backpacking, although I don't seem to have as much time for either of those activities now that we have 4-year-old twins on our hands. But Colleen and I do try and instill a great appreciation for the outdoors in our 4-year-old twins, Jack and Katie. And as a member of the King County Council, I take that perspective to my work here as well. And in this issue of my e-news, you can read about some work I've been involved in related to those issues on the County Council, specifically our effort to reduce carbon emissions as a county and our work to try and improve our impacts on climate change as well. These are important issues, and we have an important role that we can play as a large regional government. So again, I encourage you to learn more on my e-news, and feel free to write to me if you have any questions about the work we're doing or things we can do to improve our work in this area. I might add that I believe personally that I should make an effort as well to improve our work from an environmental standpoint. I take the bus to work. After I shoot this video, I'm heading north up to Shoreline for a meeting. I'll be taking the bus, the 41, which you can often find me on, going from Northgate to downtown Seattle and back home again. I believe that helps our environment and like to lead by example from that standpoint as well. So thanks very much for watching this issue of my e-news. As always, feel free to call or write if you have any questions, and I look forward to hearing from you again soon. Thanks very much.